Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Malibu. A combination of performance and fuel economy, the Malibu is a great commuting car and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, compass, power windows, rear window defroster. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.